When an integer pointer is pointing to a 2D array, there is a small catch you need to take care of. So this lecture is a small one, but an important one as well. Let me take a 2D array of 3 rows and 4 columns. Now let me take an integer pointer. The easiest way to assign the base address is I just say int ptr is equal to $ARR of 00, and let me say cout ptr to display the value. Let's run the code and see the output. Now if I just give ARR here instead of $ARR of 00, for a single dimensional array, it's absolutely fine as the array name is the base address. But if you try that with 2D array, then it won't work as it still needs a 1D array base address to refer the value. Exactly the same like 2D array, ARR and star ARR both refer to the base address, and to get the value, we used star ARR. This means ARR is returning a pointer to 1D array. If you want to assign the address, you need to typecast, that is, convert the array pointer to integer pointer, and for that I will use typecast syntax. I will say int star before this ARR, and now let's run, and we are done with it. So remember, when you assign a 2D array or even multi-dimensional array, and if you are trying to assign it to simple pointer variable, you will need to typecast.